If you're not receiving calls, messages, or app notifications, try these fixes. Check focus mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Check if Do Not Disturb or any focus mode is enabled. If it's turned on, tap it to turn it off. Ask someone to send you a notification and check if it appears. If notifications are still not working, move on to the next solution. Turn off Scheduled Summary. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Select Scheduled Summary. Make sure Scheduled Summary is turned off. When enabled, some notifications are delivered later instead of instantly. Disable Notification Prioritization. Go back to the Notifications menu. Tap Prioritize Notifications. Make sure the feature is turned off. Return to the previous screen. Tap Summarize Notifications. Ensure this option is also off. Turning off these features helps notifications appear as soon as they arrive. Check App Notifications. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Scroll down and select the app that's not receiving notifications. For this example, we'll use Messages. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Verify that all three alert options are enabled. Lock Screen, Notification Center, Banners. Set banner style to temporary or persistent. Turn on badges if you want notification icons to appear on the app. Turn off low power mode. In the main settings screen, tap on battery. Scroll down and tap on power mode. Then make sure low power mode is turned off. When enabled, low power mode can reduce background activity. This may delay or limit app notifications. Restart your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and select Shut Down. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds until it's completely powered off. Press and hold the side button to turn it back on. A simple restart can often fix temporary software glitches that affect notifications. Ask someone to send you a notification to test if the issue is resolved. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed your notification problem. And that's it.